Vitamix blenders are among the best blenders you can buy. They're popular among chefs and home cooks alike for their high-power performance and intuitive operation. Hello guys, today in this video we are going to help you find out the best Vitamix blenders in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to see their price and out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 1. Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series. Not only was the Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender the best tested Vitamix in our testing, but it features a touch interface, 5 program settings, a programmable timer, variable speed, and a pulse switch. This blender also pairs with all of Vitamix's self-detect containers, which will recognize the cup and automatically adjust blend settings for its size. In our tests, this model produced the best tasting kale and strawberry smoothie that completely went through a sieve without any flecks of kale or pieces of strawberry remaining. Milkshakes were creamy, frothy, and had great body. Homemade peanut butter was silky smooth without any peanut chunks remaining, and margaritas were restaurant quality with a super fluffy consistency. Number 2. Vitamix 5300 Blender. While the Vitamix 5300 blender isn't the cheapest Vitamix model on the market, it is less than our top performing pick. And it still gives you great features and performance for the price. This model features an on-off switch located underneath the front of the appliance that glows when it is on, a dial with 10 different speeds, a pulse switch, and a 7-year warranty for additional peace of mind. In our tests, this model blended up a creamy smoothie with 0 flecks of kale and only a few small pieces of frozen strawberry remaining. What really stood out to us was the stellar margarita it produced with a silky smooth and velvety consistency that went completely through a sieve with absolutely no grit from the sugar that was used in the recipe. Number 3. Vitamix A2500 Ascent. The Vitamix A2500 Ascent Series Smart Blender belongs to the same Vitamix series as our best overall pick. It features 3 presets, smoothie, frozen dessert, hot soup, and 10 speeds, all located on a dial, unlike the A3500 which has buttons above the dial for presets. Not to forget, this model also comes with a 10-year full warranty and pairs with any of Vitamix's self-detect products. We love that you can utilize this model's smoothie preset designed to blend frozen ingredients, or you can choose your own speed and time for the blending process. In our tests, this model produced a kale and strawberry smoothie that was thick and creamy with 0 flecks of kale left behind. Number 4. Vitamix Professional Series 750 Blender. The Vitamix Professional Series 750 Blender has a manual blender interface with 5 presets, smoothie, frozen dessert, soup, puree, and self-cleaning. It has 10 speeds on the dial and a useful pulse switch. While most of the other models we tested had a 4-foot power cord, this one is 6 feet, helpful if your outlet choices are limited. We put the commercial-grade 2.2 peak horsepower motor to the test and were able to blend tough ingredients like kale into a creamy strawberry smoothie and 3 cups of ice cubes into a silky smooth margarita with 0 grit. This model was able to grind peanut butter without the help of the included tamper, but it was unable to grind peanut butter as smoothly as other models we tested. Milkshakes were nice and frothy with a creamy body. Number 5. Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. The Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender was the smallest model included in our test but is not the smallest Vitamix blender on the market. It comes with a 48-ounce capacity blender jar compared to the other models with 64-ounce blender jars, but this model was still able to perform the same tests with comparable performance. At a fraction of the price of other models we tested, this is also a great introductory model, or nice for those who often blend smaller batches. This model features a manual dial with 10 settings and a pulse switch useful for coarsely chopping. In our tests, we were particularly impressed with the margaritas that it produced. They were silky smooth and creamy with great texture and absolutely no grit from the sugar.